Hey, this is Anton with Tax Law Offices. Let's talk about this employee retention credit. I'm going to answer just a few quick questions to help you be better equipped. Listen, I know there's a few dozen companies promoting this credit thing that they can help you get tens or hundreds of thousands of dollars. But you have to exercise some common sense. If this company does not already have your financials, if they don't prepare your tax return, if they're not already your tax lawyer, if they don't handle your payroll, then they're not equipped. They don't have the information to make that promise. And you have to be very careful about companies making empty promises. But here, two other notes about that. These promoters are motivated by their compensation structure. They're going to get paid a percentage of that credit. Now, they can help you get that credit. The IRS will send you a check, and it doesn't take that long. But keep in mind, they are promoted by getting you the biggest amount of credit because that's going to get them the largest fee. Now, the second problem with that is that IRS, after the fact, after you get this credit refund, IRS is going to do a 100% audit on accuracy, and basically they're looking for fraud. They're looking for accuracy, but they're looking for fraud, which means that they're looking at every one of these applications for fraudulent information. And the big problem is that if a promoter is motivated by getting you the biggest refund, they'll skip some steps. They may add some information that's not correct. They may even inflate the numbers or disregard some of the requirements to help them get that compensation and your credit. Problem is, you're going to have to pay it back. And that's a really bad deal for you. You have to pay back the full amount of credit plus interest, plus a penalty. And that penalty will either be 20% of the credit or 75% of the credit, on top of the other things you have to pay back. And that's a really bad deal. Hey, make it one thing worse. The money that you paid that promoter that they took from your credit to get you that refund, you don't get that back. It's a bad deal when you work with companies that make empty promises that should not do this. Better yet, just, you know what, if you're going to seek the credit, hire your company's tax lawyer to do that. Why? It's someone that you already trust. You already have a rapport, and then you got some protection because attorneys are just not going to help you commit fraud. Okay? That's the way it works. Just exercise some common sense. So folks, listen, be careful out there. Hey, here's one more thing I really want you to know, and these promoters won't tell you. If you receive the PPP loan and got forgiveness, that's going to substantially affect whether you're able to get that credit. And so again, you know, if you've already got the PPP loan and it was forgiven, you have to be very careful, folks. Be very careful. All right. I hope this helps you, and I hope you like the content. Hey, if you do, feel free to hit the like button. But I want you to stick around for this video. This is what I'm going to ask. Please, in the comments below, add your city and state. I would love to know who this reaches. You know, we always like to know who we touch and who we're able to help. And that's it. You know, again, hey, see you next video. I'm Anton. Thanks for watching. And be careful out there.